How to use Bestinvest free investing app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think Bestinvest is just a free trading platform, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that cost money and limit growth. Here's how to use Bestinvest properly. Bestinvest offers free investing in stocks, ETFs and funds. The first mistake is not completing the risk profile. Your portfolio allocation depends on your risk tolerance. Skipping this may result in investments that are too aggressive or too conservative. The second mistake is not funding regularly. Consistent contributions, even small ones, help compound returns over time. Sporadic deposits reduce growth potential. Another common error is ignoring research and analysis tools. Bestinvest provides market data, charts, and insights. Using these is key to informed investing. Beginners also often neglect goal setting. Defining objectives, whether retirement, wealth growth, or short-term savings, helps the app suggest the right investments. Finally, failing to monitor fees is a mistake. Even free platforms have underlying fund costs that impact long-term returns. Understanding these ensures smarter portfolio management. Used correctly, Bestinvest is more than a free trading app. It's a tool for building wealth strategically. Complete your risk profile, fund consistently, use research tools, set goals, and monitor fees. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter, safer investing.